Hello students, I created this video to help you be able to log in and access Gizmos. So the first step is to type in up here in your cursor explorelearning.com. That will bring you to this page. Next you are going to want to click on the login enroll and type in the class code that I gave you during lecture. Next, you will click Enroll in Class. And you see here my name and the class title, Period 1 Accelerated Biology. And you are going to pick one of these two choices. Either you already have an Explore Learning account, or you need to create an Explore Learning account.